Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Vedangas. This is Amit, accompanied with my co-partner Sumit. So guys, here we are back with the second season of Business Statistics. So in this video, we are going to learn about the introduction of statistical investigation and the organization of statistical investigation. So guys, before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for latest notifications, and also watch the full video for gathering more information about the topic. So, statistical investigation. So what is mean by investigation? Of course, it is the action of investigating something. Or investigation is an examination or an inquiry or an research with several ideas or an activities with several efforts. So this investigation has several types in several forms, that is descriptive investigation, comparative investigation, experimental investigation. These three types of investigations are used for searching or researching something. So now coming to the introduction of statistical investigation. By the term investigation or an inquiry, we mean that the search for information or knowledge. So the investigation refers to searching some information or knowledge about particular terms. So the statistical investigation thus implies search for knowledge with the help of statistical devices. The collection, classification, analysis and interpretation, etc. So these are the several devices that we can say that it is a statistical devices of. So according to Griffin, the statistical inquiries have always required considerable skills on the part of statistician, which is rooted in a broad knowledge of the subject matter, area and combined with considerable ingenuity in overcoming practical difficulties. So to apply the statistical method to any problem, it is necessary to collect the numerical facts, since statistical analysis is not possible without them. Okay, that means all the statistical method is to apply any problem, it is necessary to collect numerical facts. Then only it is possible to analyze the statistics. For example, if an investigation is made into accounts of college or hostel, suppose an investigation made in a college, then the investigation will mainly cover, what it will cover? Income from the residents, seat rent, meal charges and grant from the colleges, etc. Or also the expenditures as hostel rent with expenditure on dry rations, board meals including the special meals and the annual functions. So these all are the investigation of the accounts which regards to college. So next, coming to the organization of statistical investigation. So as all know, the organization is a group of people who work together like a neighborhood association or a charity or an union of corporation. So this is all about organization. So here in statistics, the organization of statistical investigation. So it is the statistical invention is a long and comprehensive process. It extends over various stages from initial planning to final preparation of the report. That means from creation of problem to analysis and interpreting the result finally while conclusion. So from problem creation to conclusion we will discuss in the organization of statistical investigation. So in this it has various stages. Those are planning of statistical investigation, collection of data, editing of data and presentation of data, analysis of data, interpretation of data and preparation of report. So planning of statistical investigation, it's come under the plan. So to make any data we have to make a plan. Then after planning, it comes to collection of data, and then editing of data if any changes, presentation of data, and then it comes to analysis, and after that interpretation of that data which it required. So it is all about PPDAC. That means P, problem, planning, data, analysis, and conclusion. So now coming to planning of statistical investigation, it refers to plan. So after creating the problem, after generation of the problem, we have to plan to overcome out of the problem. It is a proper system which is essential for conducting a statistical investigation. It is the planning must precede the execution. What is meant by execution? It is all about to carry out a plan or an order or a course of action or a commandment person with the. So careful planning is essential to get the best result at the minimum cost and time. It is essential to consider several points for the planning a statistical investigation. Some of them are: objectives of the inquiry should be fully known. All the inquiries objectives should be known, and also the scope of inquiry should be determined. With the nature of information to be collected should be decided. That means what the information is to be collected. So first it should be decided in the planning, and unit of data collection should be defined, and also the source of data collection or type of data to be used, that is primary or secondary, should be decided, and method of data collection, that is census or sampling method, should be decided beforehand. So choice of frame should be also made for the planning of statistical investigation. So now coming to the collection of data, it all comes under the collection of data, that is, it all refers to data. What the data is required for the concerned topic, for the concerned problem. And collection of data is the first step in a statistical investigation. In this, the person who conducts the inquiry, the person who generates the inquiry, he is known as the investigator, and the person who helps the investigator in collecting the information are called enumerators, and from whom the information is collected are known as respondent. So these all are involved in collection of data. To find the data, investigator, enumerators, and respondents, these all are required. The data has two types. That is, one, the primary data. It is the data collected by a particular person or an organization for his own use from the primary source. As also we can say, data originally collected in the process of investigation are known as primary data. The data which is collected for the process of investigation, that is only known as primary data. So coming to the secondary data, it is collected by some other person, or we can say it is already in existence for some other purpose, then it is a secondary data. So now coming to analysis of statistical investigation. In this, the statistical data analysis is a procedure of performing various statistical operations. It is a kind of quantitative research which seeks to quantify the data and typically applies some form of statistical analysis. So according to this diagram, we can see first the problem. Problem is understanding and defining the problem. First we have to understand and define the problem, what is actually it means, and then we have to plan with what is the measure and how to plan of studying the designs or recording and collecting, etc. How to collect, how to record. So these planning are necessary for the statistics. And then after planning, we have to collect the data by the collection, management, and several processes. So after data, it analyzes with short data, construct tables, graphs, or hypothesis generation for easy way of understanding. So after analysis, finally we comes to conclusion, interpretation or conclusion with several new ideas and communication. So this is all about the statistical investigation of business statistics. So thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next upcoming video. Thank you. Have a nice time.